Hello everyone, my name is Toreva Maftuna and I am a senior student at Tashkent State University of Uzbek Language and Literature. And now I want to share with you my exceptional experience about my summer internship. I was one of 93 participants out of 1,300 applicants at Young Professional Internships program, which was organized thanks to the US Embassy. My internship was at the NGO, Republican Public Association in Konyat, an organization that provides palliative care for people living with HIV and other chronic diseases. I was responsible for renewing, translating and uploading all the information about NGO after its rebranding on the official website. I can say that this internship played a crucial role in my professional growth. Now I want to share all of my experience that I gained during my internship with my course mates and university students.